Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exhilarating journey to discover the best ways to eliminate debt and pave our way to financial freedom. But first, let me share a real-life success story that showcases the power of these strategies. Meet Sarah, a hardworking individual who found herself drowning in debt due to impulsive spending and high-interest consumer loans. She realized that something needed to change, so she decided to take control of her financial future. Sarah embraced a series of strategic steps that led her to a debt-free life, and today, we're going to unveil those very steps that can transform your financial situation. Welcome to Wealth Creation Gents, a personal finance channel focusing on financial intelligence. Sarah's financial journey was anything but smooth. High-cost consumer debts were holding her back from achieving her dreams. She had to constantly juggle payments, and the stress was taking a toll on her overall well-being. The conflict arose when Sarah couldn't see a way out of her debt trap. She felt stuck, and it seemed like her financial situation would never improve. It was a daunting challenge, but Sarah was determined to overcome it. The problem was clear. Sarah needed a plan to eliminate her debts and gain financial freedom. She needed guidance, strategies, and most importantly, the motivation to take action. Now, let me ask you, have you ever felt the weight of debt holding you back from your financial goals? Do you want to break free from the cycle of consumer debt and embrace financial freedom? Are you ready to take charge of your financial future and make bold choices to eliminate debt? If any of these questions resonate with you, this video is tailored to your needs. I encourage you to leave your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below, and don't forget to share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. 1. Understanding good and bad debt. So, let's start by understanding the difference between good and bad debt. Not all debts are created equal. Good debt involves borrowing money for investments that can benefit us in the long run. It's like nourishing our financial future with a wholesome, well-balanced meal. On the other hand, bad debt is like living on a diet of sugar and caffeine. Think of it as accumulating consumer debt by buying things we can't afford, such as expensive vacations or the latest gadgets. It might provide a quick fix, but it lacks nutritional value both financially and emotionally. 2. The perils of consumer debt. Imagine borrowing on your credit card to fund an extravagant vacation. It sounds tempting, right? But let's pause and think about the consequences. High-cost consumer debts can harm our long-term financial health, just like unhealthy eating habits can harm our bodies. We want to bid farewell to those bad debts and embrace good debt, the kind that empowers us for a brighter future. 3. Using savings to reduce consumer debt. One nifty trick to tackle your consumer debt is by utilizing your savings. Imagine paying off those high-interest credit card or auto loans by tapping into your savings. It's like scoring an investment with a guaranteed tax-free return, a win-win situation. Sure, you'll be diminishing your savings, but you'll also be chipping away at those debts. The interest you pay on consumer debts is often higher than what your savings and investments are earning, so it makes sense to prioritize debt repayment. 4. Creative strategies to find funds for debt elimination. Let's get creative. It's time to check all our financial pockets for hidden gems. Ever found a forgotten $20 bill in an old jacket? Well, the same applies here. We'll explore various financial jacket pockets you may have overlooked. A. Borrow against your cash value life insurance policy. That policy you got from your friendly insurance agent can be your secret weapon. Borrow against the cash value to pay off debts. B. Sell investments held outside of retirement accounts. Dust off those old stocks or treasury bonds and cash them in to tackle your loans. C. Tap into your home equity. If you're a homeowner, consider borrowing against your home's equity at a lower interest rate, and you might even get a tax deduction. D. Borrow against your employer's retirement account. Check with your employer's benefits department to see if you can borrow against your retirement account balance. Just be mindful of the repayment terms. E. Lean on family. Your loved ones can be your financial knights in shining armor. Borrowing from family members might come with fair interest rates and a helping hand. Remember, we want to be savvy and strategic in using these funds to pay off our debts while keeping ourselves financially secure. 5. Debt reduction calculator. Now that we've uncovered some hidden treasures, it's time to put them to good use. Have you ever heard of a debt reduction calculator? It's like having a personal financial wizard at your fingertips. This tool allows you to create a customized plan to tackle your debts effectively. It takes into account all your debts, interest rates, and payment capabilities to formulate a roadmap to financial freedom. 6. Creating a debt repayment plan. Here comes the exciting part: crafting your debt repayment plan. Think of it as charting a course for your financial voyage. First things first, let's take a look at your overall financial situation. Consider your income, expenses, and debts. It's like mapping out the terrain before embarking on an adventure. Next, it's time to put your debts on the table and prioritize them. You want to focus on clearing those with the highest interest rates first. That's where the snowball and avalanche methods come into play. 7. Snowball versus avalanche method. The snowball method and the avalanche method, they're real game changers. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of these ways to eliminate debt and see how they work their magic. A. The snowball method. The snowball method is all about small victories. You start by paying off your smallest debt first, gaining momentum as you knock out one debt after another. It's like rolling a snowball down a hill and watching it grow bigger and faster. B. The avalanche method. The avalanche method takes a more strategic approach. You tackle your debts with the highest interest rates first, saving more money in the long run. It's like an avalanche of progress, wiping out your debts systematically. Conclusion. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to eliminating debt and gaining financial freedom. This journey requires determination, perseverance, and a positive mindset. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. Remember, we want to bid farewell to bad debt, embrace good debt for investments, and conquer our financial future. Finally, thank you for watching. If you think the video content is valuable, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you want to learn more, please click on the link below to read the free article on the Wealth Creation Gents website.